welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do a short video on aquarium lids, tops, covers, wherever you call it, hood. And I think it'll help you out. I think it'll help out anyone who just kind of is in a bind and maybe searching for, a better resource, something, maybe you want to go to glass, but you don't really want to pay the price. You could do this much cheaper. So stick around, watch the video, check it out, and tell me what you think. They outweigh anything. It's cheap. You could do it yourself. You just need a few tools. Trace it out with a Sharpie. I mean, it's a pretty simple situation. Just mark everything off. I used, and I'll show later in the video, the tools that I used. So it should be pretty simple. And like I said, glass tops are pretty expensive. I think this is a cheaper bargain. 1/4 inch plexi. Don't scratch it. Use something, soft. Use like a paper towel to clean it up when you need to clean it up. But other than that, it's a pretty straightforward situation. I'll put the link in the video, where I purchased the plexiglass. Just go by the size. It was a little bit bigger, and it's not perfect. It doesn't, you can do it perfect. You can plan it out. I didn't plan this out. I just broke the top, and the hood light went out. I got tired of swapping out hood lights, so this is a better alternative, and it's a fun little project, so you should try it. So check it out. Thank you. Okay, so for the basic tools that I used for this, to get this, was just your ordinary jigsaw, and for the holes I use a Forstner bit. And it's a pretty simple situation. I just wanted to show you in case you didn't know what a jigsaw was. They come with 2 different types of blades. You can use, just your typical, jigsaw blade, metal or wood. I use metal. Just make sure it doesn't get hot. I don't know if they have a plastic, blade, but this was kind of a, this is an oddball design for an aquarium. It's got the bow front, and this did not come out very pretty, but I didn't plan it. I just kind of did it as fast as I could. Ordered it online, got it, cut it, put it on. I did sand it a little. It gets sharp, so you might want to be careful. But other than that, it's pretty simple. It is, about a 1/4 inch thickness, so it's pretty heavy duty. And I think this thickness is the best. I've tried all the other ones. If you go any thinner, they tend to bow, and it's just not going to work. So just wanted to show you this real quick, show you the jigsaw, show you the, you can also use a hole saw. I just had this, I tried it out to see if it would work, and it minimal scarring. Hole saw might be better. I don't know. I just tried this. So if you have one, do this. If you have a hole saw, try the other. So that's it.